In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make money online. So if you guys want to learn how to make money online, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you're new and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, so first things first, what we got to do is go straight to canva.com. And once you guys go here, you guys gonna have to create an account real quick. I already have my account created, but you guys will have to sign up. It is for free. You can make an account for free, and you could also get one that is a pro account, which you could actually pay for. But we're gonna be using the Canva for free in this case. So once we have signed up to canva.com, we're gonna go straight to templates. We're gonna be pressing this button right here, and we're gonna be going straight to YouTube thumbnails. You're gonna see it right here, guys. Okay, so just follow my steps. Like I said, please do not try to skip along, because then you're gonna be, left behind, and you're not gonna understand how to make this money. So just make sure you guys stick along. So let's keep going. So first things first, we're gonna go to YouTube thumbnails. We're gonna see what's up with these thumbnails, right? These thumbnails, you don't really like. They're pretty bad. I mean, some are good, some are really bad. I don't really like a lot of these. Some of these are, I like this one, I like this one. There are a lot of inspiration ones, you can get inspired by some of these. There's a lot that are really professional. There's some that, you would probably never use in your life. But anyways, we're going to go straight over here, guys. We're going to go right here, and we're going to make a thumbnail, right? We're going to make a quick thumbnail just describing that we're going to be making thumbnails, because in this video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make some quick thumbnails. And hold up, before you guys leave and you just say I can't do this, just listen to this video and follow me, and you're gonna be able to make some quick thumbnails like the pro YouTubers. We're gonna be going straight to thumbnails, right? We're gonna see, okay, well, we see a lot of thumbnails here, but what we want is we're gonna be trying to go straight to Fiverr.com. This is our second website we're gonna be using, guys. This is the website that we're gonna be selling our thumbnails at. Okay, so we have a lot of freelancing websites out there, but this is one of the biggest ones out there right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it with this one. So we're going to go straight to YouTube. We're going to be seeing thumbnails. We're going to just press thumbnails just right here. Go straight to Fiverr.com and then look up thumbnails on the search bar, and you're going to find it like this. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of thumbnails. You're going to see a lot of people, but we want to go to the ones that say 1K plus or 5-star reviews, and that have a lot of people actually buying these thumbnails. So I will design an amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. This guy has been doing so much work here. As you guys can see, this guy is probably doing a lot of work for people, and he's just putting out the thumbnails that he's already made, and he's just showing people what he do. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go straight to, we're gonna be going straight to his thing. We're not gonna continue. We're not gonna use any of this. We're just gonna be using a thing called the copy method. Okay, it's called the copy method because what you're gonna be doing is literally copying his designs. You're gonna be straight going right here. You're gonna be going to gigs. Okay, you're gonna be switch to a selling account, right? And you're gonna start a gig. Once you guys have started the gig, you're gonna create a new gig. I already have one, like as you guys can see, I have one that I have created myself. All right, so the first things first, you're gonna go straight to I will design an amazing YouTube thumbnail, and you're gonna be putting it straight right here, right? I will thumbnail in 3 hours. Let's put it in 1 hour. In 1 hour, select the category. We're going to be going to graphic design and social media design, and we're going to be going to YouTube thumbnail design, and we're going to be choosing, just going to be looking for thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails. And what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be going back to our Canva, right? And we're going to be going to make a thumbnail, right? But the catch thing is here, we're gonna be looking for thumbnails like these. How I edit my photos, right? Like these, and we're gonna be just getting these, and we're gonna be putting an PNG, right? We're gonna be copying these for now, because obviously we're not gonna make the same photos now. But once we do have photos, we will be editing them, because I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. But first, I'm gonna show you guys. That's why you guys have to stay till the end, okay? Don't skip along, because this is gonna show you how to do your gig right now. Okay, so once you guys have done all this, you're gonna put all your tags in, and we're gonna go to save and continue, right? Once you guys have put the language that you have, right? So once you guys have finally completed, everything, because there's gonna be a lot of things you guys gonna have to, edit and stuff, so that it all goes right with Fiverr. So we're gonna be saying one thumbnail design, and then one YouTube thumbnail, boom, 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 within 1 hour plus full HD. And then we're gonna be saying it's gonna be a 1 day delivery. revision, so I'm gonna put 3. Feed template, source file, I'm gonna put my price to $10 because it's obviously like literally a 1 hour template that I have to do in 1 hour, right? So we're just gonna be doing this because obviously we need the quickest money and the quickest time, and there's a lot of people that do this, right? So we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be straight going for just that, and we're gonna be saying extra fast delivery. None of this. We don't want none of that. We're just gonna save profile. We're gonna save the changes. Describe your gig. You're gonna go all the way down here about this gig. Boom, 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 boom. Copy and paste. If you take a good look, all the major YouTubers are using their custom thumbnails for making their videos pop. So this is what you're gonna do, guys. You're just gonna edit all this. This makes their video stand out from even videos that might have more views or be more popular. Great YouTube thumbnails, catch viewers' attention, and get more. So here you guys just have to edit all the things that he did wrong, right? You guys don't have to really do all this. You don't have to put that you have 6+ years and all that. Just put like have like a year or so, so people really understand. You don't really have to even add that in general. There you go. We're gonna save this, right? And then we're gonna be saving and continue. Add a new question. So I'm gonna show you guys this template that I'm using for mine, right? And what it says, this is the thing you want to copy, and then you want to paste it right here, and then that's it, guys. So you guys are just putting add, and then saving continue. Go to gallery, and then here's where the tricky part begins, right? So you're gonna be using the ones, like I said, that you might think they're pretty, that you could probably do, like this one and this one. We're just gonna be saving these two, right? And then this is where the tricky part is gonna be, guys, because today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually make these thumbnails. So first things first, just download like a little, like this one. Let's say I download this one, and what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going to so we're gonna be putting this like a lady. Let's say you find a lady, you're gonna search for that. Oh my god, whatever, you're gonna look for a lady that's like, oh my god, what the hell, like this one right here. This one is a perfect one you could use. There you go. And then you're gonna have all this bring forward, and then this is where you're gonna be getting all this and then making it like another color, right? So we're gonna be putting YouTube thumbnail right here. YouTube thumbnail. And then we're just gonna be, trying to make it look cool or whatever, just try to copy a similar image like this one. Just try to make it as as cool as you can. You're gonna see what's up right now. Just try to add some images to it, some things to it. You just have to play around with it. If you guys don't really know how to do this, just play around with it, guys. Everything out there is a little struggle at the beginning. You just have to learn how to hustle with it. And once you have the trick of it, trust me, guys, you're gonna have it. Alright, guys, and then once you're done with your thumbnail, you just have to literally download the thumbnail. We're gonna be putting it straight into our Fiverr, but first we're gonna be putting the other one. Hold up. There we go. I should have put them backwards. And then there we go. And then do two thumbnails, 1 hour. You just put them like that. I declare whatever. These are for you to use, so you don't really care. Don't get caught. If you want to change them later on, you can. Because once you start making these from people, once you start getting better and better, you can start making the gig better, all that. So this is all you guys had to do, guys. Once you guys are done with your gig, just publish it, and you're gonna start receiving those messages, and then you're gonna be just getting everything set up with your Fiverr account. Just make sure you guys do everything correct, because if you don't, you might just not make it, But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, just replicate other people's videos or other people's thumbnails and try to make it your way. Try to make it with your own little creativity. You just tweak it a little, like if we were in school, just try to tweak it. Like if someone just passed you the answers, you wouldn't just put the same answers, right? You would just put different answers, or the same answers but different in a different way. So that's what you're pretty much doing. That's what you guys have to do. So yeah, guys, hope you guys can actually do this. Y'all can do it. And I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and peace out. My name is Brian. I'm out.